Welcome everybody to SDG Accountant's tutorial on how to prepare an 1120S, which is an S-Corp tax return. My name is Sam Gaith, I'm your host. My background is I have an MBA, I'm a licensed CPA from Canada, and I'm also an enrolled agent. I'll look forward to walking you through my course on how to prepare an S-Corp return using the tax software Lacerte by Intuit. So first off, I kind of want to talk about the concept of an S-Corp and how an S-Corp is taxed. So an S-Corp essentially is a flow-through entity. What that means is you're not taxed at the S-Corp level. What happens is an owner of an S-Corp, and there could be multiple owners, up to 100, they actually have the net income of the S-Corp flowed through to their personal income, which is their 1040. So each S-Corp owner gets a K1, his or her share of net income of the S corporation. So once they get a K1 at the end, that is included into their income of their 1040. So to be an S corp, you would have either had to register to be an S corp, or you would have been an LLC, which is a legal entity, and you can actually file an election to be taxed as an S corp. Similarly, if you were a prior partnership, you could also elect to turn into an S corp as well. So again, some people mix up legal structure of a corporation between the tax structure. So technically, you can still be an LLC and still be taxed as an S corp. Just a refresher, a single member LLC is viewed as a disregarded entity for tax purposes, and that's reported on Schedule C of a 1040. A multi-member LLC usually is taxed as a partnership. Now, what you need to do is if you are an LLC, you have to file an election, and your accountant or CPA or whoever is your accountant can actually file that election for you to be treated as an S corp. You have until the last day of the second month of that tax year to file that election. Once you file the election, you're going to be treated as an S corp continuously. Let's get started with the software.